Hello and welcome. I'm going to show you this awesome new tool that I just built, and I think you're going to like it. So first things first, you have to add your brand. So in this case, I'm actually going to add my own brand. And then you have to create a brand JSON file. I'll go into how to do that later if you want to use it. But after that, it's actually going to generate top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel, and mixed of all of the funnels of content pillars for said brand. And then you need an outro video file. I'll show you how to make that later as well. But once you create the brand and let it generate all of the descriptions here, or the content pillars, and there you go, it did it. So now here's top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom funnel, and mixed, and it does 10 of each. And that's important, and here in a second you'll see why. So let's hit create. I love doing live demos. I've never actually added my brand. I was doing all my testing with my other brand, Soda Spoon. All right, so now we've got it added. Let's go over to videos. And we're gonna hit create video, Ultra by Rich. And here we go. So now you have your content pillars that it created to choose from. So I want to post a top, middle, and bottom of funnel post today. And I'd like to go into one of these. So let's see. I would say top of funnel. It's probably the agency red flags. I like the first one. All right, we're gonna do one clip, 8 seconds portrait. We're doing VEO 3.1, fast. It does not have loaders, so I'll probably have to add that next. Okay, so now you've selected the brand, the pillar, the specifications for the video. Now you get to choose the actual topic. So why junior account managers kill your brand's ROAS, the hidden trap of long-term digital agency contracts, why agencies that hide their team are dangerous. That's a good one. Let's use that one. Again, no loader, but it is loading. All right, so here's the actual, I've been using this as the caption, but this is the clip that it's going to generate. I've been using the social media caption, but the clip it's going to generate, go. And before it generates the clip, it's going to create a starting frame. And we'll see what kind of AI actor the system decides it should use for me. It'd be nice to be able to specify me. Okay, a male professional in his late 40s. Oh, late 40s, rude. Anyways, we're gonna let it run. But it did come up with a visual anchor based on everything we provided. So this was very much curated for this setup. So let's see what the video looks like. All right, and all these generations, I think I'm gonna build the system so that you can use your own API tokens, and then I'll make it like a one-time purchase. But it's about $1. It's about 50 cents to $1 a video clip. So it's not, it's not super cheap to test. I think that's why I put so much setup into the structure here. I really want to make sure that the information we're giving it is very much on point without having to kind of steer it. And as you can see, I provided it a brand JSON file that I generated from my website landing page. And then I gave it an MP4 that just has my logo on it. So not a lot of context has been provided to the system, but it's already incredibly powerful. Okay. So now it's generated the clip.
Stop working with agencies that hide their team behind a wall of account managers because they're outsourcing your growth to juniors. We provide direct access to senior strategists.
Pretty cool. I'm very impressed. They did that well.
Stop working with agencies that hide
Oh, look at that.
senior strategists.
Money. All right, and we download the clip. All right. Pretty easy. You go over to your see if I can swap the screen here. Go over to your meta. Yeah, go over to your meta dashboard. Log in to your account. Create reel. Select the file.
Stop working with agencies that hide their team behind a wall of
Boom. Copy in the caption. Boom. That's pretty slick. On point. Hits a fun angle. Has the blurb. That's going to be dangerous. I like it a lot. All right. Thanks for watching.